Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry instant pool water conditioner. What is natural chemistry instant pool water conditioner? Instant pool water conditioner is used for stabilizing chlorine from UV sunlight loss and is easy to use. Product benefits: dissolves instantly, pool-friendly pH, protects chlorine instantly, will not harm any equipment or pool surfaces. Usage directions: start up. 1 gallon of instant pool water conditioner will raise the conditioner stabilizer level 32 ppm per 10,000 gallons of water. The recommended minimum conditioner or stabilizer necessary to stabilize chlorine from sunlight loss is 30 ppm. Dosage for freshwater startup: no conditioner or stabilizer present. Divide pool volume in gallons by 10,000 to determine the number of gallons of instant pool water conditioner needed. Step 1. Shake well. Step 2. With the circulation pump running, pour instant pool water conditioner into your pool skimmer slowly or pour directly into your pool while walking around its perimeter. Brushed to speed absorption. Step 3. Rinse the container with pool water and shake. Step 4. Pour the remaining rinse solution into the skimmer or pool. Routine maintenance: measure CYA level in the pool using a cyanuric acid test or have it tested by a professional pool products supplier. Dosage: start up. 1 gallon per 10,000 gallons of water to raise CYA 32 ppm. Routine maintenance: 4 ounces per 10,000 gallons of water to raise CYA 1 ppm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.